Okay, so I don't know how far I'm going to get today, but I want to try to at least get my new carrier put in. But I want to at least figure out the studs I want, because it's got 2-inch studs in it right now. But since I'm going with a different wheel, it needs a different kind of lug nut. So I know these ones aren't going to work for the lug nuts, so that's what I'm going to try to find out. I'll put one of the rotors back on, and then that's the box, the wheel, and then I'll just go from there. The carrier I'm using, it's a Detroit Truetrac. It's kind of a little disappointing when I found out that it's made in Taiwan, but I guess they all are. I also got the new bearings. I guess it uses a different type of bearing or a different size of bearing, but they should still fit in the regular caps. Okay, so I got the wheels on. The washers do say wheel side on one side of them, so they're not going to say it now since they're flipped over. They look to be about a ½ inch too short. I'll just take my gauge. That's about where I'm sitting at. So I'll probably see what I can get that will work for this. These are 17 by 8s with a 4-inch back spacing. So hopefully they'll work out for me. I can always use these as a front, and the front's for something else since they're a 17 by 7. But okay, so I just got my ring and pinion on, or my ring gear on. I just went by the Richmond torque specs, 50 pound-feet. They are reverse threads, and hopefully I'll probably get put back in the car sometime soon. Here's also the new bearings I'm going to be using. They definitely have a bigger inside diameter than the old ones. Might be kind of hard to tell, but well, that was already on. But yeah, I'll get those pressed on. But here's the ones I'm going with. Okay, so I got this at about 7.5 thousandths. It won't stay in place, will it? You know, anyways, I think I'm going to call that good. I mean, I'm going to go ahead and check probably apply some more of this yellow stuff and check the wear pattern before I call it a day. I think I'm going to call it good. I'm pretty happy with the wear pattern that's on it. I had to clean up the ring gear a little bit, then reapply the yellow because there was just too much of it on it, and it was just not leaving a wear pattern. So I think it's good. I'll get my studs ordered, and then I can put the axles back in.